The governor's landfill financing team is touting the investment-grade BBB- rating Standard & Poor's gave Thursday to the more than $200 million in bonds GovGuam is marketing to fund the closure of the Ordot dump and the opening of a new landfill in Dandan. But under the law, GovGuam must also market a $275 million deficit financing bond alongside the landfill bonds to pay Lola COLA and tax refunds. And earlier this week, S&P gave the bond a non-investment grade B+ rating, a result that could make it more difficult to market the deficit bond than the landfill bonds. So what could happen if the landfill bonds sell but the deficit bond doesn't? Guam Economic Development Authority Chief Tony Blas says the bonds will both be attractive to investors. However, he adds he can't really predict what will happen when they hit the market. But if the deficit bond doesn't sell, would that stall GovGuam's landfill funding plans?
No, the law says that we can pursue the two simultaneous issues of the GO and the landfill. And our bond counsel says this. Our bond counsel San Dirks says we can pursue the issue and move forward.
But a leading advocate for the deficit financing bond, Senator Ben Pangilinan, says both the bonds have to sell. However, he adds that shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah, they both have to go to market at the same time, and they both have to be sold. So, and all indications are from our underwriters are that once we go to the market, that there's an appetite, as they call it in the market, for these bonds. They're very attractive. They're triple tax exempt. The interest rates are very favorable from other investment instruments out there issued by either the federal government or other jurisdictions.
Pangilinan adds the sale of the deficit financing bond will likely give Guam's economy a short-term boost as the money pours back into the hands of taxpayers. Stefan Sebastian, PNC News.